What is up, guys? Standard aside, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save ChatGPT conversations in your laptop. So first, you need to head over to ChatGPT and then write some content. And after that, on the right side at the top, you will see the share button. Click on the share button, and after that, click on create link. After that, it will create a link, and then simply click on copy link. And after clicking on copy link, open a new tab and just simply paste that link and hit enter. And after hitting enter, it will load that particular content. And then you just need to select all of that content. And then you just need to right click and then click on print. And after clicking on print here, you will see the option to save as PDF here in the destination section. And after that, you simply click on save. And after that, this will be saved as PDF. And that after that, you can just simply save it wherever you want. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.